Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get Cloudflare API Key. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your Cloudflare account, and once you're here, you will just have to look for API keys in the on the search bar, and then you'll just have to click that of course. And now that you're here, you will look for global API key, which is right here, and then just go ahead and click view. And now what you will have to do is send verification code so that you will be able to receive the code from your email. And then after that, you will just have to basically follow what is prompted, and then next you will copy the API key and store it safely. And of course, you shouldn't share it to anyone else. And finally, you will just have to use this key for any integration that requires full account access. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.